Hey, it's Lacey here from Oceanside Lawn Care and Landscape Repairs. This is one of the jobs we did a cleanup here about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Now we're going to turn this into a bed and we're going to mulch it all. So this is before. What we'll do is we'll edge it, weed eat it down real good, and then we'll spray it. And then we'll mulch it. Okay, we're back. We've got our bed shaped now. As you can see, we've got an edge on it. And now we're going to finish off the inside. See, I come all the way around here. And this is going to turn this in from an eyesore into a decorative bed. Pretty easily done, not too expensive. Lacey from Oceanside Lawn and Landscape Repair. We've got our bed all prepped up. It's looking really good. Our foreman did a great job getting it all prepped up. We've got it all sprayed with our eco-friendly spray, river-friendly. And that's going to keep the weeds down. As you see, we're going to be putting this in, loading it up. I want to put about 25 bags in here. Our goal is to get it at least solid 4 inches to 6 inches, so when it settles down, you'll still have 4 inches. All right, mulch time coming up here at the Wingate. Beautiful neighborhood here we're working in. As you can see, we've got the mulch all lined up, all ready to be distributed out, and that'll be our next step. We can turn some areas that are overgrown into nice areas like this here. Oceanside Lawn and Landscape Repair, another great job. Give us a call, 321-591-4919. Thank you.